So I got a little excited with the scissors. And I got a old bob wig from a $2 shop. And basically Brad Mondoed it into a ratchet as fuck mullet type thing. Yes, it is meant to look this bad. Yes, I had fun doing it. I've made a bit of a mess. Now I've got it on me. What I'm going to do... So what I've got to do now... I've got it on me. Yeah. I don't have a mannequin. So I'm literally just... getting the hair. And... I got the scissors. And I'm cutting down, 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 down. Just ordinary kitchen scissors. And yeah, basically, yeah, just fixing up little bits that are looking a bit not ratchet enough. Gonna do this side now. So, got this part here. Basically just cutting into the length. And what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to end up spraying this bad boy up. Heaps of hairspray. And then it's going to stay like that. And from now on, it's going to be my... Hang on, I need to be able to see what I'm doing again. It's going to be my yobbo wig, basically. So, don't anybody go getting a heart attack. I'm not cutting my hair. My hair's safely tucked underneath. And nowhere near the scissors. I'm not that crazy. I just decided I needed a yobbo wig in my life. And if I ever need another bob wig, I can always go and get one from the same shop I got this thing from. Because they're everywhere. Bob wigs are everywhere. So, all good. Ugh. Damn. I kind of wish I thought to do my Snape videos before doing this. But Snape's going to have to wait until I get another bob wig. Just is what it is. There we go. Oh, look at that. Hey. So, if you're sitting there and you're thinking, oh my god, that wig is ratchet as fuck, well, guess what? It's meant to be. So, I'm doing a good job. Anyway, gonna get this hairspray on this crap and... Wait up. Oh dear. This is like going to town on my own hair without going to town on my own hair. Right, get this part in the middle. Go right back to there. I was originally just using the bangs on this thing as a guide. See now that I've got past that stage, I don't need to worry about that. The bangs are all going to go there. Pretty bang up job of this thing. Pull that up. I might do that because that wasn't working before too. There we go. Yay! Woo! It's got to look as ratchet as hell. And that's how you turn a 2-bob wig and turn it into a ratchet as hell 2-bob wig. What do you reckon? 50 cents at the op shop? Maybe? Yeah. rough it up, and now glues in the plot and the wig, and that right. So how are you spending this hot Thursday afternoon? There we go. Bonza.